Hello everyone, this is my review of the AVAT portable CarPlay screen with 4K dashcam and HD backup camera. The display is bright, clear, and easy to see whether I'm using navigation, music apps, or taking calls. I also love the wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. My phone connects automatically, so I can access maps, messages, Spotify, and other apps without dealing with cables. Another thing that stood out is the built-in 4K dash camera. Having a high-quality recording while driving gives me extra peace of mind every time I get on the road. The HD backup camera is a huge bonus, too. The picture is sharp, and parking feels much easier and safer, especially in tighter spaces. I also like the voice control features. Being able to use Siri or Google Assistant for directions, calls, and music helps keep my hands on the wheel and my attention on driving. The Bluetooth connection has been reliable as well. Calls sound clear, music streams smoothly, and everything connects quickly when I start the car. Installation was surprisingly simple. Since it's a portable system, I didn't have to replace my factory radio or spend money on a complicated installation. Overall, this feels like several upgrades combined into one device. A wireless CarPlay system, a navigation screen, a dash cam, and a backup camera, all working together. If you want to add modern features to your vehicle without replacing the factory stereo, this AVAT portable CarPlay screen is definitely worth checking out. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.